guys, I just wanted to do a quick video today. I got a new Bashplate for the Suron end from Lunicycle. It's like their V1. I know they have like some updated ones and stuff, but I really like the look of this like wasp or bee or whatever it is that they have on the side of it. It's kind of, they call it like a beauty plate. It may protect the wires a bit, but yeah, I really like the look of it. This is also steel, whereas I think the original Bashplate is aluminum. It does feel a lot like flimsier. I'll kind of give a better, analysis or what have you of that one once I get it off, because it's hard to tell while it's on the bike. But this one feels great. I mean, I'm impressed with the quality, the finish, everything's, like it looks like an OEM part. So Lunicycle, great job. I'm gonna get this on the bike, see how that looks. I'll give you guys a look afterwards, and hope you enjoy the video. Alright, cool. We got the original one off, and I can tell you the quality on that one is definitely a whole lot better. It's a lot thicker, harder feeling. Even the finish, like the paint or whatever itself, feels better. I will say, just make sure you don't lose these things. They're kind of how it bolts back onto the frame. So whenever you switch off your guard or whatever, make sure you take those and just put them back on, to the new Bashplate. This one has like a foam insert with like, I don't know if this is for, the metal is for like a heat sink or something, but the foam, I guess, is to protect the motor in case this gets hit. That one doesn't have that. I checked the Luna website. It looks like it doesn't need it. If any of you guys know differently, let me know. This is kind of like pretty securely in there. But yeah, I mean, from what I see, it doesn't need this. It looks like it has some more room in there and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that on, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, got that installed. It wasn't too difficult, except for like the last bolt, just trying to line it up was a little tricky, but yeah, I mean, otherwise it's really easy. I'll say the fitment is like absolutely on point, perfect, doesn't feel any different than the OEM one. Good job, Luna, once again, and it looks great. I'm about to go for a ride. It's like 70 something degrees here today. I think it's like 76 or something crazy. So I'll get some footage of the Bashplate while I'm on that ride, and I'll include that so you guys can check out what it looks like, and some good lighting and everything. But I will say it looks fantastic. I'm excited to have it on the bike. As far as like functionality, it does feel a lot stiffer, harder, and I will say the like airflow looks a whole lot better. Like, it gives the motor a ton more room, and then there's just more like cutouts for the air that are also larger. So yeah, I think it's a plus. They did a great job. Definitely purchase that if you're interested. I will say, like, I'm interested in their seat. It's always sold out, so I wanted to get this while it was available, because I worry about it selling out. Check out what it looks like on the bike, and hope you enjoy.